So anyways, we're just going to jump right into it. So we're going to go here, and okay, so here you can actually okay, let's see, okay, here you can actually download a model as well if you wanted to. I'm talking about like here on Booth in general, you can search one, but also we have some here such as this. So if you wanted to use this one, you could just click it and download it. There's a VRAM model, but this model that we're going to download in particular is not going to be a VRAM model. It's going to be a MMD model, which is a PMX file. So to go ahead and download that, we're just going to click here, and typically you would search any model that you're looking for you want to use. So me in particular, I'm going to use the model Luca from Project Diva, and I believe I already have it saved inside of my favorites, so I'm just going to get it from there. So favorites, and I have it somewhere in here. So I've chosen this model to be included in the video, and I've already downloaded the model right here. And once you download it, it should be in a zip folder, and it's already a PMX file ready for MMD. Typically you just have to read the rules and things they have here, and as you see, this is where I'm getting this model from, MMD Queens. So that's what the credit of this model belongs to. Once you have that downloaded, she's already ready for MMD, but now we need to get the VRAM model ready for MMD, which is no worries, not a tedious process.